Irene, this is my
Yes.
question. So like after you got your offer, I know you was like all excited, right? But like I got two questions for you. Would you say that Colaberry was a lot harder than what it actually is for real in the field? And then my second question is like, how did you feel like day one? Like, were you like really nervous? Were you afraid? Like, oh my God.
Yeah, I will say Colaberry is actually harder. Like everything is compressed in a span of time. You gotta learn something, like all the stuff within a couple of months that you can actually do in college for 4 years. So yes, when you get to the field, it's actually what we learn in Colaberry is what you're gonna implement. So, and also with Colaberry, they taught me how to go fish. They do not spoon feed you. So you have to go fish. So yes, in other job, it's a little bit better. And yes, I was so nervous because I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm expected to do. I don't know if it's gonna be the same thing. But right now, I'm getting used to it, meeting members, getting to know what I'm doing, looking at the type of data they have and my job role, I'm getting used to it.
Okay. Oh, and I'm sorry, there's one more question. Someone put in the chat, how long was your journey from the time you started until the time you got placed?
It was like a year and 2 months
Okay.
from
Right.
bootcamp
Thank you,
to
Irene.
IPDC. Yeah.
Thank you.